Buongiorno. You know, they say that Paris is the city of love. But you know, New York City could be too. We have a Juliet balcony right there.
Hey Emmanuel, come check this out.
And welcome to 400 East 51st Street, Unit 4F, a beautiful oversized 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And imagine this apartment furnished at your own taste. And 400 East 51st Street is a beautiful high-end amenities condo. Living here, it means having a 24-hour dormer, beautiful courtyard, private courtyard, 24-hour gym, children's playroom, and this beautiful room, look at that, ready to entertain all your friends and family and parties.
I love this neighborhood. This is where I grew up. It's not just Midtown East. This is the Beekman neighborhood. Quiet, right by a dog park, right by an embassies. There's restaurants around you. A great neighborhood, quiet neighborhood, the Beekman place.